What's up guys, this is Aldrin and Leo from Spot Airsoft, and today we're going to do a video review on our custom Ares M110 Polarstar. Alright Leo, so what did you guys add onto this externally?
Well, externally we added a fully licensed Knights Armored quick detach suppressor to this gun. The base gun is an Ares M110e sniper rifle. We also put an ergonomic bipod as well as an NC Star 3 to 9 zoom red and green illumination scope.
What about the internals on this? What did you guys do that was so special?
Internally we put in a Polarstar Fusion engine version 2 generation 3. What our head tech had to do for this specific build was custom make a selector switch. The reason why he had to custom make a selector switch is because the M110 or an SR25 body is slightly bigger than your standard M4 body in order to get the fire selector to work. Unfortunately, because the gears are a little bit misaligned when installing, we couldn't get the ambidextrous function, so only one side works, unlike a traditional M4 on the left side. But we were able to still retain the bolt locking feature and the ambidextrous magazine release. Another thing that we had for internally wise was put a Mad Bull type bore barrel, 603, 650 millimeter length, and a silver nozzle.
Alright Leo, that sounds good. Now let's see how this shoots. So if you're wondering, this gun retails for around $1,300, and that includes the Ares M110 body, as well as a QD suppressor, along with our Polarstar package, which starts around $699. And that Polarstar package includes a tank, line regulator, fusion engine, as well as a battery.
The whole retail price of this specific gun was $1,340. If you like our custom build or would like to see our future custom builds, please comment, subscribe, and like our Facebook and YouTube pages. Thank you.